In front of me is OnePlus Pad Lite LTE, and today I would like to show you how you can record sounds using this tablet. Begin by locating and opening Recorder app that's already on your device. Now tap on Allow and Allow while using in all available pop-ups if you never used Recorder before. And before doing anything, click on this gear at the top to manage all of those options, like recording file format. When you're ready, just click on this area. And now select red button at the bottom left corner to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same red button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. To add a photo mark, on the right one and wait. Now pick your camera. Take a pic. To discard it, select this X, and to add it, this check mark. Now, if you want to discard your recording, hit cancel at the top left corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To end it and save it though, click on Save at the top right one. Now name it and hit Save here. And as you can see now, my recording was successfully finished. If you want to play it, click on it and use play button over here. You can also manage all of those options. You can add bookmarks here. You can tap on this scissors icon. If you want to trim your recording or remove sections of it. And wherever you decided to save your changes, hit save at the top right corner. Then name your recording, the edited version, and hit save. You can also click on this icon at the bottom right corner and manage all of those settings. To save them, hit done at the top right corner of this pop-up. Top left corner, sorry. But by tapping on the top right corner here, you can operate all of those options, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!